I've got in my kitchen today. I'm in the kitchen, of course, but I have got my lovely granddaughter,
Hello.
Darcy. She's here today, and I'm telling you, she is a fabulous cook, and she loves to make cookies, don't she?
Yes, I love making cookies.
So this is her time of the year, the cookie time of the year, Christmas. So she's got some wonderful things that she wants to show us how to make today. So what are you going to be making for us today, Darcy?
Today I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade hot cocoa.
So today we're going to make
cocoa.
Oh, that's one of my favorite things. Now, why do we have the crock pot out, Darcy?
Because this is a crock pot recipe. Everything is just throw it in your crock pot and let it sit, and then it's ready.
All right. So I cannot wait. And all the directions are going to be in the description box for us?
Yes. All the directions will be in the description.
All right. I'm going to step aside and let you take over. I just can't wait to see how this is done.
Okay, guys. So what you're going to need, about a medium-sized crock pot. And then you're going to need milk or cocoa powder, condensed milk, and then some vanilla. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your can. This is a 14-ounce can of condensed milk, and just dump it right in there. Just get all that condensed milk out of there. Just like that. And it's going to be a little hard to stir at first just because it's cold. But once you get it heated up, it'll get better. Alright, and then you're going to put a third a cup of cocoa powder in there. Just dump it all in. Just like that. Alright, and then you're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just dump it in, just like that. Alright.
I cannot wait to taste this. I love hot chocolate.
It's so good. It's so easy too. Just 4 ingredients. Alright, now you're going to start with just 4 cups of milk. You can use whatever milk that you like. Just dump it right in there.
I think this is going to make the house smell delicious.
And now you're going to want to try to get it as mixed up as you can. Now, it's going to be hard because the cocoa is hydrophobic. So, it doesn't mix well with liquids. And it's going to start forming like little bubbles. That's how you know it's getting better mixed in there. And also, if you wanted to, you could go ahead and plug this up and start getting it warm, and that'll help it mix in more. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get our milk, and we're going to put another 4 cups.
I was going to say, that's real. That first 4 cups just wasn't really enough. I could drink that by myself.
You've got to kind of mix in the cocoa first.
Yeah.
That way everything incorporates.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now go ahead and pour in the next 4 cups.
So it's a total of 8.
Yep, 8 cups of milk.
That is going to be delicious.
All right.
I've never had anything like this, Darcy.
Well, I hope you like it.
It's going to be amazing.
See how you can kind of see that milk poking through?
Yeah.
And you're just going to want to mix it up. Try to get everything nice and mixed together.
It already smells delicious.
Yeah, it does.
It's not even plugged up yet.
Alright, and when you first plug it up, you're still going to have this kind of like foamy stuff on top. That will go down as it heats up. So, now, what we're going to do now, I'm going to bring it over. Make sure I got everything cleared off. I'm going to bring it over and we're going to plug it in. And then you're going to want to keep it on low.
On low, okay.
Yes, so keep it on low. Cover it just like this. And then just keep it on low. And then you're going to stir it every 30 minutes. We're going to keep it in here for a total of 2 hours. So every 30 minutes, you're going to open it up and stir it around. And we'll come back and show y'all how to do all that. So, yeah. Alright guys, it's been 30 minutes now. We're stirring again. Make sure all that cocoa gets in there.
I can't wait till it's ready.
I know, I'm so excited. It's going to be really good.
Oh, I love hot cocoa. And what a better day than our temperature today here in Tennessee than to have some hot cocoa.
Alright, I'm going to cover it back up.
All right.
We're going to let it sit.
For another hour and a half.
Yep.
Okay. Hey, Darcy, what you got?
Hello. We're going to stir the hot cocoa.
Okay. It's every 30 minutes, isn't it?
We've been stirring every 30 minutes.
Oh, and you took that lid off. Are you sure it's not time yet?
We got to wait one more 30
Oh, we
minutes.
got to wait. Oh, I'm so ready.
Look how good that looks.
It looks so creamy and amazing.
So good.
Mmm.
We've been stirring every 30 minutes. We got one more to go.
What a wonderful thing to make for your guest. If you have people traveling and they arrive at your home and they've been traveling in this cold weather and they come in, don't you know they would be just delighted if you had this to offer them a cup of hot cocoa when they arrive at your home for the holidays?
It does make a lot of cups.
It does, doesn't? Or you could make any amount you want, depending.
You can double it.
Yeah.
You could even triple it.
You could, and then have it for your family and your guests, and they wouldn't believe that you made this with how many? 4 ingredients.
4 ingredients.
It's just such a wonderful treat, and I just can't even wait to taste it and for us to enjoy it, and then for us to make it for people who might arrive and come over during these wonderful holidays ahead.
Yeah. All right, guys, the hot cocoa is ready.
Yum.
For the last time, and I'm gonna get some in my cup.
Yes. Let's get some hot
Here,
cocoa.
I'll get you some too.
Thank you. I'm gonna come in and get some myself. This looks delicious.
This is gonna be so good.
So easy doing that in the crock pot, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really easy. It only took 2 hours.
Okay, I'm gonna jump in. Oh, get you some marshmallows.
I'm gonna get some marshmallows, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like.
Oh, it looks so good. I can't keep dipping. I've got to try. I've got to just taste it.
Yeah. There's some
Oh
marshmallows.
yeah, the marshmallows.
Look what it looks like.
You don't want to dump it on them.
Dump it on them.
Let's toast, Darcy.
Let's toast.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Love you, darling.
Love you. Oh my gosh.
That is the best.
Oh.
That is the best. Hey, I
So
could drink
good.
this all night.
I could too. I could probably get
With
some
a sugar
coffee.
cookie.
Yes, so good.
Oh.
So
And
warm and rich.
That's exactly what I was fixing to say. You think it would be too hot to drink, and the crock pot on low, it is the perfect temperature. It's just perfect.
So good. Y'all gotta try this. It's so easy.
Gotta make it. Darcy, it's so delicious. I'm so glad that you brought us this wonderful recipe, and it was so easy to make, and it was just so easy. You just made it look so easy. And the cookies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was really fun.
Yeah, I enjoyed our cookie recipe too.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was a fun recipe. You guys, if you haven't seen that video, you really need to watch that.
Yeah, you should go watch it. We
Go
posted
watch,
that last Monday.
Yeah, our sugar cookies.
Yeah.
We tag teamed on that one too.
Yeah.
Well, guys, we love y'all. Thanks for coming with us on the hot cocoa that Darcy showed us how to make for the season. Make this for your family, your friends, your significant others. They will enjoy it so much. Nothing's better than just to have a hot cup of chocolate.
Yeah.
Hot cocoa on a chilly day. like today when you're just chilled to the bone with these temperatures.
Yeah.
And I know we're not as cold as some places. I know some places are a lot colder than us, but
Oh yeah.
this would be the ticket right here.
Yeah.
Hot cocoa. You know, you could leave this on warm. I believe I would make it. I'm going to make it and leave it on warm probably all day while I'm at home.
And after the 2 hours, you can just leave it on warm, and you can also put this in the fridge, reheat it the next day in the microwave.
Oh, well, isn't that a great idea? Wouldn't that be great for breakfast?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Great ideas. Darcy, you've just been full of great ideas today. Guys, we thank y'all so much. Please like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We would appreciate that so much. It would mean so much to us. Happy holidays to you guys. And hope you have a very, very, very Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.